Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the right tech can make a huge difference. Today, I'll show you the best cameras, AI tools, and editing software to make your portraits look stunning. First, let's talk about cameras. For high-quality portrait shots, mirrorless cameras like the Sony a7 IV or Canon EOS R6 are great choices. They offer incredible detail and low light performance. Pair them with a prime lens, like a 50mm f1.8 or 85mm f1.4, to get that smooth background blur, also known as bokeh. Lighting is key. If you're shooting indoors, invest in softbox lights or an LED ring light for even lighting. Natural light works well too, but a reflector can help reduce shadows and enhance the subject's face. Now, let's talk about editing. AI-powered tools like Adobe Photoshop, Luminar Neo, and FaceUp AI can enhance skin tones, remove blemishes, and adjust lighting automatically. You don't have to be an editing pro with these tools. Make it easy. No, DSLR. No problem. Phones like the iPhone 15 Pro and Google Pixel 8 Pro have powerful portrait modes with AI depth mapping. Apps like Lightroom Mobile and Snapseed let you fine-tune your shots on the go. So, whether you're using a high-end camera or just your smartphone, tech can transform your portraits. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video!